we don't need to make this such a silent game.
हर गेम में जीत नहीं हो सकती है.
हो सकती है bro, हो सकती है.
I'm leaving.
I prefer to have my bus be more unceremonious.
The condom broke, but Bold Care condoms will never break. I want to close my eyes and do it.
Are you a pussy?
Oh what? Bruh. I'm the real cuck here.
Starting from the bottom, still there.
Oh.
Flags, dude.
Keeps influencing people in each game and it's not good. It's not good.
Then customers will say that.
Bust.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. Today I'm joined by Vedu, Anuj, Rohit and Adi to play a game of Flip 7.
Let's go.
This is a variation of the Flip 7 game. This is the Flip 7 Bold Care edition. As you're playing through the game, we'll have multiple cards which come up and I'll explain what each card does. But yeah, let's get started. The first to 200 points wins.
You think the Flip 7 guys can sue you for this?
I mean, I have less than 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube. I don't think anyone's suing.
Hey, I think it'll be more this time because by the time this goes out, you know.
Thank you.
I like this optimism.
But yeah, if they sue, I'll just call it Clip 7.
It has a cool story also behind it.
Awesome. So we'll start. I'll start drawing.
Of course he'll start.
Channel मेरा ही है ना?
That's fucked up.
Of course. Channel मेरा है तो मैं ही चालू करूँगा ना. Then we'll go this way, okay?
Yeah, bro. So you insist.
3.
Serves you right.
Wait. We need to go a bit slower.
Okay.
3, 9,
13.
13, 12. I got a Bold Care Extend card. So Bold Care Extend card, basically it stops you from busting too early.
Basically, if you get busted, you can.
Yeah, if I get busted, I can
It's
save
different.
myself.
It's different.
Oh,
Two-timer.
Nice.
okay,
So
but
that's
the
a good one to
two-timer
get.
card doesn't apply if you have no cards or if you have one card.
Oh.
Because you can't split
He's
one
making
card.
this shit up.
I am making
No, but that makes sense though.
Correct. If
Yeah,
you
in
need to
body
have a
wanna
minimum
split.
of one
I have
card,
another.
There's
coming.
nothing here.
I have a slot
split.
for it. I create a
I
slot for
can't.
it.
Vedu likes the two timing.
Just put it in the
Vedu
discard
likes
file.
it.
I'm sorry.
no.
This is the rule.
You didn't tell us about it. I wouldn't have picked it.
Oh.
7. Oh, dude, arrange it in ascending. Thank you.
That's just for him. It has nothing to do with the game.
What?
It's a creep like
Oh, oh damn.
Not bad.
Come on.
Guys, we don't need to make this such a silent game. Let's make
I'm-
it a bit more like animated.
What is
What
up?
is
Generational run for Adi. Better get
Oh
busted.
yeah, it's, oh shit.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
nice.
So which one is the card where I can strip?
After all the chronology,
It's
something.
called Spice It Up.
Spice it up.
Yeah.
That's what I need. But then I just get both
Yeah,
of
fuck
them.
them both up, dude.
Actually, if 3 of them, all of them have 10.
Wait now. You have your chance of
One.
getting fucked to the
बस
highest.
सहारा
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
card, bro, one.
Wait for it.
तू round के end में देख ले.
He said it and it happened,
God
bro.
bust.
He jinxed me.
I'm a master predictor.
Jinxed me, bro.
Okay, now take your cards and just put it in the discard pile.
Damn, bro.
Adi, your turn.
We have to a horrible start.
Only you.
That was quick. Anuj.
Acha, that two-timer card is also.
We know.
No, but like, वो
Shouldn't
like,
show
यहाँ
now.
से
People
pile-
shouldn't be cognizant of what is in this card.
Okay, fine. Ooh, 6.
I feel a buzz coming.
Man, yeah. He feels the bus coming.
Yeah, it's in the air.
He was
busted.
climaxing and he just.
He won, but at what cost?
Ooh.
So he's winning technically right now.
Even I feel a bust coming though.
Oh! You can also stop, by the way.
You can stop at any time.
Yeah. Oh, what?
And collect those many points.
Yeah, like for this round.
Oh. I thought you have to do till 7.
Yeah.
No. You
If
can
you
stop.
get to 7, it's cool, but it's a risk getting to 7.
made
right?
automatic.
If you get to 7
Seven
number
may-
cards,
that will
you
just
get
be
the total
gambling.
of that.
And
And the round gets fucking started. addict.
Blackjack in this boy.
excited about that.
Ooh, 11.
On you. You should stop.
6.
Oh, dude, he's still
Yeah,
going.
he's going, dude. He has 6 cards. Now
like,
he has
you
to.
should have
He
stopped.
has to pick the 7th
I have a
card.
bad feeling about this card.
You made that up right now.
No. I mean, I'm just saying, as a
I
game.
can stop. I can stop.
You can stop if you want.
Okay.
But
On your turn.
on your
But
turn.
I mean, like, for the love of the game, you should go to
Exactly.
Like,
Exactly.
Big bonus. You guys
Should
out.
I pick one or not?
Bro, I think you have a very high risk of busting.
Save. I think I'm
And
gonna.
you have 52 points. That's crazy.
I think I'm gonna fold.
Okay, 52 points. Inka 52 points.
52 points is insane, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah, absolutely.
I have
Let's
to
not
buck
be
up now.
greedy. Should I? Okay.
I can
No,
keep
yeah.
picking because I have the Volker extend card, so I'm not going to bust even if I
Fair,
get a.
fair.
Oh,
That was a good fold.
That's a very good
fold.
one.
39.
Oh, yeah, you would have gone.
44.
That's crazy. That's
Jordan,
crazy.
Ali, stopping, going.
Adi, go for it.
King. Is
Oh,
you should have
busted. Damn, we convinced him into doing that. That's the
Oh
game.
shit. Okay, I busted, but I have a board care card, so I guess.
And now 7th card you have to do, bro.
दूसरों के
7th card you have to do, bro. Come on.
Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
Oh,
You had to do
go.
that. Damn.
20, 30, 42, 48, 51, 53 plus 15, 68.
Oh, of course,
Plus
Rahul's
15,
winning.
right?
Of course, Rahul's winning. If you have 7 unique cards, you get 15 bonus and the round ends.
Yes.
So if I got 7 cards, wherever you all are
But
at,
it's okay. I think I folded at the right time.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
fair.
yeah.
15
Good
is
one,
better
good
than
one.
0.
Good game,
3 of
good
us got 0.
That's crazy.
But of course, Rahul's winning.
So now
We
we
know
have
which
52
person.
points. I'm at 68.
Yeah, we know which person will do it.
This will be a perfect opportunity for me to say
Ooh,
Rahul.
bro,
will
this is a
cheat.
big,
Oh,
big multiplier. It's an X2
Bro, this
card.
guy somehow fucks up and then he like just
Hey,
covers
that's
up.
his life.
Sponsored by Mainstream Marketplace.
Now just me.
Come on, gear up, buddy, gear up.
Anuj, go for it.
This card, that shit.
shit.
That shit,
I
right?
can't pick another card now.
No, you
No, you
don't.
can.
I think the next.
Next.
Just that card is apparently. I don't get it.
Oh, my fucking god.
Nice. That's crazy.
But you know, if we. Where are the stops and all?
They're coming. They're all in the pile.
I'll quit for you.
And this X3 will be useful.
Okay, so this is the lucky 13 card, okay? It says pulling out work.
So when you
Oh,
So
get
if I have a
another
13 card, if I get another 13 card, I don't bust.
it adds up.
It becomes 26.
Got it.
Of course. Rahul doesn't bust to 213.
Keep this.
Bro, I have a feeling this round also I'm going to zero.
Nice.
Such a pessimist.
You can give this to someone. You can give this to someone.
Give this to
It
someone.
says on
He
the-
has
it says on the
Why the
card,
fuck will you give
play
it?
on
Give it
any
to him.
active player.
Give it to
He
him.
has a lot of
He
points
has
and
an
he has
X3,
X3.
bro. He has an X3.
Give it to him. You actually have it. It's only a -4. It doesn't do much to you anyway.
No, it actually gives him -12. because
No.
It becomes X3.
If it's just this two, then yeah.
Unlucky 7.
Okay, so unlucky 7, you only keep 7, you discard everything else that you have.
The condom broke, but bold care condoms will never break.
Thank you.
Yes.
Great integration. Now you discard your 12 and 13.
Yeah, fuck. No, but it'll become 9 -4 into this thing.
Yes.
It's reverse bot mass.
Yes.
Then you played now, dude. Acha,
No, he played.
Sorry.
Ooh, +4.
You want to give that a something?
No.
Risky moves.
Okay, so
Draw one more.
here you can
Oh, I give to anybody to draw one more card and then free.
so you can give it to him.
You're already
You can
at
draw
zero.
one more card and then freeze.
Hopefully
Finish
he'll
this and done for the round.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can draw one more card and then you
Oh,
freeze.
so imagine he gets bust now.
Inshallah.
I won't,
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
I'm very confident.
Oh.
shit.
So now your score
Lucky,
is
bro.
70 plus 8, 25 minus 4, 21 into 3, 7.
63.
Oh, hi.
Your turn.
I don't have downfall. Only nightfall.
What?
Bust. So unlucky.
12, 13, 7, 7.
Off camera, one right thrice.
Ooh.
Risky move.
Arey,
Draw one, buddy.
I'm gonna bust, bro.
Oh. Now
What does that mean?
I can either take it myself or give somebody to draw 4 back to back. There's a high chance of busting.
Rahul.
Give it to Rahul.
But
Yeah.
Loki, I have an X2, you know. I feel like this is 15.
Oh, you wanna just
I'm
win
just
this?
gonna do
Go
it.
for it.
Fuck. Divide by 2. Fuck.
Oh.
Bust!
Yeah. He flew too close to the sun.
हर गेम में जीत नहीं हो सकती मेरी.
हो सकती है bro, हो सकती है.
So now you can take someone's modifier card away. So you can either take this card away of mine or this card
Take his
away.
plus
Yeah,
four.
obviously.
That's
You have to discard, you have to
Oh
discard
shit, I
that.
have to cut it.
And discard that card also.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh my god. Your turn.
Great. Ooh, but now there's no one on the
You can
table.
swap between you and I.
Take his lucky 13.
Yeah, give me a lucky 13. I can't give a
You
modifier.
give modifier?
You can't give only number card.
11.
Yeah, they'll give you a
That's fair.
Pretty good spot.
Good exchange.
Yeah. A little extra too.
Do I shuffle this until then?
No, this stays. We never shuffle a man.
Bold Care
Oh,
Extend.
fantastic.
I get the Bold Care Extend card. Let's go.
Draw one more.
Yeah, of course. Go for it.
Oh, nice.
So now
You
I
can
can't
draw.
go bust.
Yeah. And you got the lucky, good switch. The
saved.
flop really
So this,
saved
you
you.
didn't have to waste your.
Yeah.
Just shouldn't
I should maximize this thing. I should get an X3.
Multiply
I should get an X3, bro.
Fuck, bro.
There's only one.
There's only one X3.
Okay.
Nice. Your turn.
Fuck.
1, 2, 3,
You're
4,
going on a
5.
run. But minus 10.
Wait, I can still take.
Can he play
You can
alone?
keep,
You can play
yeah.
alone.
Till he
Until he
chooses
gets
to
7.
stop or he busts.
Bust.
One second, brother.
He had a
I have a Bold Care Extend.
You have 5 number cards. You can pick 2 more number cards.
2 more. it's
If
a
you
risk.
want, or
If
you
you
can
want to draw
stop.
or you can shut it.
You're at right now 16,
10, 10
28,
बता दे 10 10 बता दे कितना होगा
38, 42. You're at 42.
One more.
Yeah, let me do one. Let me take
What
one.
did you take away?
Steal someone's heart.
You can't. You can't.
No, I can't. I think that was a sign.
Discard it.
That's a sign for me to stop.
Are you
Or
stopping?
one more, go
I'm
for it.
stopping.
One more.
I'm stopping.
One more, bro. What the
42 is
fuck?
good.
Okay, because all of you have said it so often.
Never trust men.
Especially your friends.
Okay, Adi starts.
Set peer pressure.
Again, only fucking Rohit got points, bro. What the fuck? Everybody
I should have just stopped, man.
12.
Okay, Rohit, go for it.
Come on, guys.
You want a reaction on 112? Stop at that. Nice.
Adi.
-6.
सबसे ज्यादा points रोहित के पास है.
Please.
Sorry.
अच्छा देना
You're winning.
हाँ, these negative वाले सारे it says play और नहीं आता.
Doesn't matter, bro. Cover up.
6, 7.
6, 7.
5, 6.
Thirteen.
No, bro.
10.
Most of the 13s are gone now.
Yeah, actually, most of the teams are gone. Steal someone's heart.
You can steal 1 card from anyone you want.
Take his 13.
Take his 13.
Why are you taking his 13? 13 is such a high chance of busting.
No, but it's high number of points. Why would he not take the 13?
But you can take your 13 also.
I'll
no?
take a
Yeah,
10.
but
I don't have
why would
points.
he take a 10? Take the 13, bro. It's the max number of points.
No, but
Reduce his
there are
points
13
by-
cards. High chance of
But
busting.
most of them are
I've
discarded.
already done.
Go for it.
इसको पैसे दिए क्या?
नहीं यार.
After. Oh yes, come on.
उसको थोड़ा ऊपर रख देना.
हाँ, मिल गया.
ले लेता ना 13 में अगर अभी तो.
That would have been
Yeah.
good.
No.
You just got lucky, motherfucker. The math isn't bad still.
Bro, I'm cutting it so close, bro. Fuck. I think it's time to quit.
Nice.
Bust.
Oh no!
Yeah, he did love the 13.
ले लिए भाई सारे 13 यही चले गए.
I think I'm gonna quit.
Hey, don't
Hey,
be
come
that
on,
guy.
man. मैं तेरी बात सुना
That
last
guy.
time. मैं तेरी बात सुना.
Close it. Close it.
It's calling in a bold care
Swap 2
round.
cards, right?
Yeah, you can fuck 2 people over, bro. Think about it.
Very easy. Wait.
Don't fuck me over. I have nothing. Don't steal from the beggar.
11 इधर डाल के 10
Outside
इधर डाल
nothing.
दो.
क्या?
Take his 10, put
Yeah,
it here. Take his 11, put it there.
That's what I thought.
Or take his 6, put it there, and take his.
No, I'll swap the 6s and then I'll swap the 11s here.
No, you can't do 2
I don't have anything that
cards.
can. I don't have anything that can bust him. So you
Acha,
swap
वैसा.
both of them.
So then I'm sorry.
You
Anyway, I
ban his
can't bust because
extend
I have the Bold Care Extend
So
card.
you give him 11,
11?
Yeah.
and you give him 10, and he's busted, and his extend is busted, and my extend is safe. And that's
Oh, this burns right here.
yes, fantastic decision.
Good one.
Okay.
Okay,
So now it's just you
Extend help.
break someone up, discard someone's modifier card. I don't want to
See,
discard it.
but you have to because this is the only modifier card you can discard.
Pleasure doing business with you. Pleasure.
Pleasure. Rohit's
Bold
favor,
care,
man.
pleasure. Yeah, what the fuck? Luckiest motherfucker in the game.
Bastard.
The minute he said
It's just not my day, man. It's just not my day.
Play Rohit. You can stop if you want.
Don't stop. Bro.
can.
Now you got a life also. You got a modifier taken away. I think you should go for it. One more card is worth
I think
the
you
risk.
should stop.
Bro,
What is life
अभी तेरा दिन चल रहा है bro तेरा.
If the condom photofies.
Now give it to Vedu.
खुद पे रख लिया but.
Thanks, bro.
Wait, it's a active
can
one.
play
Oh,
it.
my bad.
Unfortunately, I haven't put it there right now.
Man.
Man,
I didn't come up. It's just become -1 now.
I think one more card is.
Do it.
तो बनता है.
I'm gonna close my eyes and do it, okay?
Oh, do it,
Okay. Your reaction will give it. Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4,
What do you want to do?
5. One more. 6.
Computer जी मैं quit कर दूँगा.
Quitting?
Yeah.
25, 40, 45.
He won.
Oh, 7 cards.
Crazy. What is the total now?
20, 29,
8 cancel कर
42, 48, 55, 60, minus 8, 52, plus 15, 67.
6,
7.
Good comeback. Extend and use only.
Rahul is at 68,
Ah.
Prashant is at 67.
And everyone else is at 0.
Yes.
Come on, Anuj. Come.
I'm trying. You can clearly see.
Are you a bottom?
Plus 6. Oh.
Okay, that's a good one.
By 7.
6, 7.
Hey, nice.
You're covering the card.
Anuj.
Where are the freezes?
I mean, what? As the end is gonna go bust only, dude.
There's only one.
3.
Dude, thank God.
You see that? Lucky.
The probability. It hurts
The
more when you.
probability of this happening? Low. That's where I'm at.
Yes.
Mother.
Oh, wow.
You're at 6.
It's not even a whole number. Loser. 6.3. Oh!
But actually, now he has a great chance.
Looking
of
at my
not-
streak, guys.
Bro.
Okay.
It's just 4 points.
This might not have
Just
been a
don't fly too high.
Great idea.
Flip one more. Ooh, nice. Bench.
2 more, right?
It's done. It's over.
But it's bro, one more. I have
3.3.
One more.
I could get fucked here, bro.
I hope.
hope
You
you
have
get fucked,
to. You
bro.
have to.
Fuck out of here. Yes! Let's go! We needed this.
Bro, 0 by 3 is fucking 0.
It's on you now.
Oh man.
I prefer to have my bus be more unceremonious. I don't like the. Yes!
Adi, go for it.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
At least I'm not 0 now.
Yeah.
First pack shuffles. You picked one, no? You picked the last card.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Lucky 13.
Man, show नहीं करना चाहिए था.
Motherfucker is.
Thank you.
Yeah, you shouldn't have busted.
Your turn.
26, 32, 35. I'll
He'd
stop.
stop, he's a pussy. That.
I'll stop.
Want to sleep at night?
It's a salty bitch, bro. He's doing.
Okay, Rohit pick. Ooh.
Can I take that out?
No,
with
you
the
can't.
array?
Now this card is wasted because no one has any modifier cards.
Oh, perfect.
No, these are action cards.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I'm player.
You can give it to anyone you want.
Give it
Who's
Rahul.
second?
Rahul is second.
Rahul is second.
Doesn't act. Doesn't.
No, I can swap 2 cards no,
Yeah, he
between
can.
2
He
players.
can.
I'll give.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you to do.
Have
I was gonna ask you to do. What fuck, bro?
pass on 10.
That's been nice, guys. That's been great. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, bro. I'm telling you. There's no way. No, the odds are way, like, there's no way that's gonna happen.
It had to be.
It's funny, bro.
The universe aligned, bro. The stars aligned to fuck you. Bolke is about to get you laid, bro. They'll do what it takes.
Clearly not.
Sorry.
Get you fucked.
That's the highlight of
We are the cucks of content, bro. Watching you get fucked.
Hey, these clips are good. You have a future in, comedy. Whatever.
Thanks, man.
Maybe you should.
Let's see how footwear goes later. How much more people give me shit.
It was horrible and funny.
Wow. Haven't you started?
I'm the real cuck here watching you all play.
Okay.
Trust me, bro.
Starting from the bottom, still there.
Oh man. Nice.
I should have just been like, I don't want the 10.
Greed is a bad thing.
Oh, here you go. Have fun.
There you go.
Bust.
Nah, bro.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's actually a very interesting card.
Is there anything worth?
You can kill them.
I can swap mine
तू
also.
अपने लिए क्यों कर रहा है?
नहीं I want मैं नहीं आऊँगा
Oh, हाँ.
Make इसका 9/9 I can swap.
नहीं वो कर सकते अगर
He's
उसने
at
देना
second
don't have to swap
position,
the
just
same one.
defeat him.
Wait, what?
He's at second position.
Bro, you should get him off.
हाँ,
So
yeah.
put his 5
लेके
there
मेरे को कुछ भी दे दो
and give
Yeah.
him a 9 or 13
Exactly.
or whatever.
Collectively क्या help कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
We
you wanna do
are
it.
trying
हाँ,
to
इसको 5 दे दे और
Buddy, I'm
उसको
sorry.
9 दे देना.
Clear, we don't want you to win.
चल आदि. Card बच गया. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Double extend.
He just not finish it.
Bro, now if you lose.
ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है. Yes!
Fuck you!
Out of 4. Relax. dude.
Just got too competitive, guys.
Bust.
Bust.
Because the more you cheer for me, I'm winning. So just support me.
Man,
They're cheering against you actually.
Support me or lose.
Okay, extend.
Rohit, go for it.
Get up.
Yeah.
I think my
Say
time is
Ketan?
come, guys.
What are you gonna do, bro?
Do it.
I think I'll quit, bro.
You have one turn.
He won, bro.
No, he didn't win, dude.
This card counts.
This cancels out. 23,
29,
29, 32.
32.
One more card.
Oh, 8 more
190,
8 more points you
192.
need to win.
You're at
Oh, but if you get a
192,
7th card, then you get 15 extra. You win. And I
If
also
I,
win.
then I lose everything, na then.
Yeah.
But yo,
It's not
no,
160.
everything.
But
You
you're
just
still
lose,
on
it's
top.
just fine.
New
Fuck
round.
it, bro.
Yes!
Dude, he manipulated you into doing this, dude.
Oh, motherfucker. Celebrating your own! ये तो सोचा ही नहीं
I
था.
want to claim on his downfall.
Why were you choosing?
Go steal a card from him, bro.
I can steal a card from him?
Yeah.
But you swap or steal?
That doesn't do much actually.
That's a
Steal.
decent amount.
So wait, I'm at
You
5.
are now at 180.
It doesn't actually.
You can stop or you can bust, bro.
But I mean, I
Just
need to
bust.
I think you should bust.
New round.
Fuck, actually taking the 30
I won't
reduces
bust, I think I'll
chances.
stop.
No, just take one more. Just take one.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, that is where I think.
Yeah, that's a good place
That's
to
a good
stop.
place to stop.
Bust.
Bust.
But has a card.
Yeah, quit.
Stopping? Okay, so this goes out 14, 17, 28. 180.
So he basically, and I am 62 by 2.
31.
31.
Where does that 31 mean?
This shit.
Just
Gone? What is it?
Discard.
Break someone. Break someone.
Manage.
बहुत बुरी था.
Wait, you started.
I sorry, wait a second.
Which card did you get?
He got a break someone up card which he had to discard. He got a
No,
plus
no, no.
4.
I am
He
giving
got a
it
flip
to you.
4. He's giving you
No,
the
I'm
flip
not
4.
giving it
No,
to
no,
you.
give it to him.
Give it to him, give it to him.
Because he will draw 4 anyway.
Yeah,
Might as well
yeah.
increase the chances of him getting
Give
out.
it to him.
Making it back to back.
He has to lose, bro. He's at 188. He only needs 12 points
अरे
to
हो
win.
गया उसका 20 तो हो गया.
But now he can't stop, right? 4.
Okay.
4 निकालनी है
And
उसने.
then he's-
Maximizes the probability of him getting out.
Yeah.
Kar bhai, jaldi kar. 12. Yes!
Fucking bust it, bro.
Okay.
Imagine, bro.
One more.
Classic.
Fuck!
Damn. It's done. It's over.
31.
It's done.
He can just, it's your turn now.
It's your turn.
He picked. He just picked for fun. He didn't have to. He could have stopped. He's won. He could have stopped.
He's
But-
more than one.
But some of us might get an X3 and
Like
the extra
right
15
now.
and cross
Yeah,
200.
right now.
Yeah.
Like, right.
Or
Low-
we can fuck you up as
Very
well.
low chance that
We can,
Or I
if
can
you
just
draw
go and win it, right?
four-
I feel the game
No, but
is
if I
rigged.
quit it
Your
right
turn.
now,
You
I
get
win
that
right?
every
Yeah,
time.
you.
Yeah, you're getting that every
to
game.
make me lose. rigged to make me.
Now you want to stop?
You can
Yeah,
stop.
I can stop it because of one
But
attack.
are you a pussy?
Yeah, now like come on.
Ego must not come.
For the love of the game.
अभी खेलो ना 7 cards तक please.
ये ले भाई, मजे कर.
Still not doing much. No, but one of us might be able to get a fuck ton of cards, X3, all of that shit.
Or if you get a flip 4, just give it to him, bro. He'll flip one more time and he'll bust.
Now he'll stop.
Hey, draw one more.
Hey, come on,
One more. Hey,
yeah.
Rohit, come on, yeah.
Guys,
I for the love of the
Don't
game.
stop,
Make it interesting.
Don't do it, video.
Make it
Do
interesting.
not.
This is
Okay,
where-
dude, see. Dude, see, think about it.
You can't lose.
Think about it.
Yeah.
There'll be a leaderboard. One second. There'll be a leaderboard across episodes, bro. You need to maintain the highest score possible.
He's
So
right
now
though.
you'll just end at like
Right.
220 or something, bro.
Bro, but for real, you
Same
want to
line.
be able to like. I can't cover it.
I was waiting for him to
Bro, imagine what a ballsy move would be like.
Once you extend the first
Dude,
position,
love the
pussy,
game.
bro.
you
That's
still
the
have the
whole game
first
gone.
position if you
Pick
bust.
one more, bro. Pick one
You
more.
can't look at it.
Pick one more.
He's still.
But he has to give it to someone.
Oh my god.
मेरे को क्या देगा मेरे जिसके पास कुछ है ही नहीं.
उसके पास वो
नहीं यार, ऐसे मत कर यार, मुझे मत दे यार।
Come on, bro, for the game, bro.
For the
love of the game, bro.
divisible by 3 anyway.
Don't be a pussy, bro.
Rahul
like to
gets
bite him.
2, 3. मेरी बारी है.
Oh!
Oh, let's fucking
Yes,
go!
yes,
Let's go, bro. Come on, go on.
If
Flip
I
four.
get this, I'm getting a Yeezy from you, okay?
You order it.
Ooh, bro.
Bold care extend. The shipment never came.
Juta भी comes late, bro.
Yes. And we live to see
Another day.
I'll win, guys.
Chalo, your turn.
Your turn.
Busted.
It's very possible, you know.
Oh, sorry, it's not your turn.
I'm still at 160 something.
188.
You know what? I was gonna stop. I was gonna be like, let me stop. Let me stop right now. 0 point. Has it ever happened that somebody entered the game with 0 points?
You have 0 points.
Bro, I'm just gonna scroll reels, bro, this whole game.
Bro swapped 10 with me and got busted. That's the best shit ever, bro.
That was too funny.
Too funny.
Iconic.
Technically, he's getting dummy or divide over.
Your turn.
26.
52 by 3, bro.
Oh.
There's a division, bro. Fat ass
He
division.
was doing by 2.
I was gonna get busted.
Fuck.
GG. Called it.
40 points. I'm good.
Anu's pick is your
I
turn.
stopped last.
What?
Bro, imagine
Bro,
you
it's
get
safe.
busted at 1-1.
Yeah, and that's number 1.
What the fuck?
You can't use. But yeah, you can't use it. It's such a
You should be able to keep it.
powerful card.
You should be able to keep making
I
it.
could, guys.
Oh, yeah, he's at 200.
No, next round only you could.
Yeah, next one I'm good. Unless
But unless somebody fucks you up.
Imagine I got a 1.
Fuck him up, bro.
There's
Fuck
only
him up.
one card.
You are like, use the one, bro.
I fold, bro. And it's not this time.
Rohit folds at 30.
This guy gets a 2x or a 3x and I'm fucked, right?
Yeah,
So,
He'll get it, bro. I think he'll win now.
One.
Oh, yes.
Yes, come on. Now you can't do
bro,
it.
it's pointless, bro. This guy gets.
I'll still somehow find a way to come
Oh,
early.
there's no hope for you. Okay. 35 plus 132. I'm 167. Okay, 43 more points.
Cue, bhai. Let him
ऐसे ही
pick one more card.
And then to stop. Let him have some
Okay, alright.
points. Let's see if I win this then no. Give it to Ali. Well, if he wins,
Give it to him, bro.
Bro,
Bro,
I'm
he's
already losing, bro. Bechara, why, bro?
Challenge है.
हाँ,
I'm
go
zero.
ahead.
Closer to that.
ये अनुष का score add कर लिया 14, 15.
Yo!
Oh, fuck. 14, 15 plus 8, 23,
That's why I
bro.
fucking folded, bro. Fucking
But anyway, you won.
35 into 300. No, I'll win now.
No.
He'll win
It's
now.
105. I already win. I'll stop. Unless he fucks me up.
Okay.
He stopped. He
Anush,
froze.
oh, he's frozen.
Unless they have some trick to fuck me up.
He'll find a way.
I stop and I'm good. This is 105.
25 plus
132.
35. 35 into 3, 105. Vedu has 105.
105 plus 132 is 237.
We count only 200. We don't.
237.
Ah, so both of you won.
No, it's whoever has the maximum with that
No,
round.
both
I
of you
win,
won.
I win.
Okay, I think go for it.
I win.
No, I can still fuck you up, bro.
Sure, yeah. This is sweet.
Okay.
Come on, Adi, let's go.
Adi, come on.
मेरी selection हो गई.
मेरी selection हो गई है.
Maybe not.
मैं ना actually close
You're
कर
not
रहा हूँ
taking
क्योंकि
lose,
मेरे
bro.
को
Yeah, nothing to
Bro,
lose.
I'm at
Already
zero.
game खत्म हो गया
I am
भाई।
at zero.
तो वो
अच्छा,
ठीक
game
है,
खत्म हो
at least
गया।
have a chance of winning on 0.
Pick one
Keep
more.
drawing, draw 2 more.
Do it the hard way, bro. Just you will be remembered as a brave man.
One more.
At least you died trying.
Nice.
You
You died trying.
That's what it was.
You lost with respect, bro, and dignity. It's
Thanks.
fine.
Crazy. That brings us to the end of a great game of Flip 7. Congratulations, Vedu, for winning this.
Congratulations. No, both of
No,
them.
he
won. Both
won
of them. won. Both of them.
237.
won.
No. It's whoever ends at
You
higher
should have
points.
stopped. I told you
You shouldn't have stopped.
Bro, in my
You
heart,
played
you're
too
the.
You
safe.
should have stopped the previous turn actually.
Actually, yeah, bro.
Don't trust us. Don't trust us.
Fuck. But great
Anuj
game.
on getting points.
Vedu played like crazy mind games the whole game.
Yeah, he does that, dude. He keeps
Yeah.
influencing people in each game, and it's not good. It's not good.
Even customers will say that.
It doesn't work there. वहाँ चलता नहीं है.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
See you.
Like, share, and subscribe.